Hi, I'm Miss Shelley, and welcome to my science show. In our episode on properties of matter, we learned about properties such as size, shape, color, hardness, and flexibility. Well, today we're going to talk about another property of matter, which is absorbency. And we're going to have a rainbow race between a piece of paper and a paper towel.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Absorbency is an object's ability to suck up or to hold liquid. For this experiment, you're going to need a piece of paper, a piece of paper towel, a pair of scissors, some markers, preferably with rainbow colors, and 4 glasses of water. Ronnie's rule for this lab is to always ask an adult for help when getting water or using scissors. The first thing I'm going to do is cut down the piece of paper and the piece of paper towel so that it's just a thinner strip. Next, I'm going to take my markers and I'm going to draw a little rainbow on each side of the paper towel and each side of the paper. You don't need the colors to go too far up, so make sure you only color a couple of inches on each side. Here's what it should look like when it's done. You want to have a big white space in the middle because we're testing each object's absorbency. The more absorbent object is going to be able to move the color across it faster. So now I'm going to put the paper and the paper towel in their glasses of water and see which one absorbs the water the fastest. As you can see, the paper towel completed the rainbow already, while the piece of paper isn't even close. So the paper towel is far more absorbent than the paper. Why don't you try your very own rainbow race at home? And I'll see you next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Miss Shelley.